Hello traders, today we will take few trades. In this video we're gonna learn after breakout in the downtrend. In the previous video we have seen the scenario regarding in the uptrend there is a trend line, after breakout how the market will move. In this video you're gonna learn in the downtrend after breakout how the market will react according to the levels. As of now there is a downtrend and I have plotted a trend line. Just now it has been breakout. And one more thing, I have plotted horizontal levels which was previous support. Now it become as a resistance. Previously it was respected and we call it as an SNR. Okay, so the market has been respected, so that's why I have gone with sellers. Okay, now we have a left side a minor level, so we have a rejection too, so market has been closed exact at the level. So what do you expect here? Here you can go with buyers. Why? Because we are not in a trendy market. We have just now break out the area and we don't have as of now any kind of levels. So as of now there are only few levels which I will plot and show you the candles. Okay, so just now the market has been closed at the level and it was a weak candle with a rejection, so that's why only I have gone with buyers. So if you understand these kind of scenarios, you may get better clarity regarding markets. While you find an uptrend easily you can predict the market, while in the downtrend you can easily predict the market. Whenever the market is trying to change, in these kind of scenarios you should be careful regarding these things. Okay, here still there is a gap for the buying. Can I go with buyers here? Yeah, if possible I will go with buyers only. Why? Because the market is moving in a zone, we have to check what will happen. Okay, in the down we have one more level, so we'll see what will happen. If possible I will take margin of safety too. Maybe sometimes some candles may form as a retracements, so these are common in the sideways market, because in the sideways market each and every level matters. So that's the point in these kind of things. And one more thing, in the sideways market you won't get huge candles, so you can't check these kind of things in the market. Okay, as of now this kind of candles only you may get, so if possible more of margin of safety, the more may you can win. Okay, here what is the next candle now? Okay, finally we got selling candle. Okay, here now you can go with sellers here. How can I say that I can go with sellers? As of now we have a level, still the sellers are interested and it has shown a new low and a breakout. So with margin of safety only I am going with sellers. Okay, see, as much as possible I am getting the margin of safety. I could easily win this trade. Why? Because there is one more level in the downside, so easily we can go buyers from there. In the ranging area you can't even say which level is valid, because every level is important in these kind of areas. From here only the market try to get a range, certain area, certain support. So up to then the market will try to make one red, one green, two red, one green. These kind of areas only you may get. See, what is the next candle now? Can I go with buyers? Let me adjust the line for you to understand. See, there is a level and the market has been closed exact at the level, and which was a weak candle, not at all a strong candle. So you can easily go with buyers. If most of the people in this area you may get confused, then you have a plan to do it. Just plot the outer to outer level, don't go for internal levels. Plot the outer levels which will get benefit of you, so easily you can win over there. When you get weakness, rejections, yeah, you can go for a reversal. Is it clear? So whenever you get this kind of range, so try to plot the outer out levels. Then whenever the market reaches over there, you can go with reversal. That's it. See, here at last I got win. Still there is a gap. the resistance is far. What is the next candle now? Can I go again with buyers? Yes, I have gone with buyers again. Why? Because still there is a gap. So that's the reason I can easily go with buying candle. So the levels which I have plotted, at that scenarios only the market is moving. Try to check these points. Okay. So whenever you get these kind of situations, you can easily make profits in these kind of zones also. In these kind of areas only, most of the time you may get whenever you open the market. Sometimes the market will move sideways. See how range, it is a small range. In that also you are getting an opportunity. So easily you can go with buyers. What is the next candle now? Okay, here I got a strong candle, but let me show you. I will go with sellers here. As of now, the level has been breakout. Okay, let me check whether any levels. Okay, as of now, I don't have any levels. So easily I could go with sellers. Okay, here I have gone with sellers. First of all, in this kind of situation, I want to share you one thing. First of all, comparing to the previous candle, the buyer's candle is too strong. Here in these kind of situations, sometimes it will reverse instantly. Sometimes it will make at least one weak candle to show their weakness. Later it will reverse. So these kind of scenarios have been happened more often, but I want to show you. So that's why only I am mentioning this point. If we got a weak candle, means I will go with a reversal. If it is a strong candle, yeah, maybe market got support, finally the buyers can control. Okay, see here we got a weak candle and we didn't get any strength. So now I can confidently go with sellers. If same candle appears before itself, means yeah, previous candle only, we can go with sellers. But here we didn't get this kind of thing, so you can check over this area. So this kind of scenarios will be happened in the market. So try to check always. And it didn't cross the zone of the selling area. So you can check the trend line, horizontal level also. Easily you can go with sellers here. So if you have confidence, you can go with previous trade or wait, because the candle is too strong. Sometimes it will happen, not every time. Okay, 70% it will reverse, 30% only these kind of scenarios will be seen. Okay, so try to check this. Yeah, you can check my history also. Okay, now what is the next candle? Here can I go with buyers or sellers? Can you guess? Okay, I have gone with buyers. Why? Can you guess? If you have seen the previous video, no, maybe I think so. In the previous video or before itself, I have explained this point. Previous, there is a level which is considered as a SNR. So that's the reason only I have gone with buyers. We'll see whether it will work or not, because previously it was respected and now also it is respecting. So that's the reason only I am going with buyers. If there is no level, I will continue with the selling only. So that's the reason only I have taken a reversal trade. Now can I continue again? Yeah, my zone is down, my buying area is in the down, so I will continue with the selling again. So now we can go with sellers. In the middle, I have mentioned this point, you may get 1 or 2 retracements. That is common in the markets. So now I can again continue with the selling area. So easily you can go with sellers now. I think you have get clarity regarding these points. If you really have any doubts regarding these trades, yeah, you can take a screenshot and message me. I will write it up and I will send you back. So if you understand these kind of zones, easily you may win and you can find these kind of areas opportunities also. Okay, when the level is respecting twice, we have to give respect. So that's the reason only previous I have made a reversal. Okay, here again I am continuing my trade. Okay, Okay, we got one more retracement. It's okay. Now, can I go with sellers now? Yes, I will confidently go with sellers now. Maybe one or two retracements. Maybe I got two retracements. It's okay. But as of now, this candle has been opened at a selling area where previously the sellers have been entered. So I can easily go with sellers. Okay. As I mentioned before itself, one or two retracements are common. So we can win, we can lose in that areas also. So easily we can go with sellers. Why this much strong candle? Maybe easily this could break. Okay, we have to check. Let's see what will happen here. Okay, what is the next candle now? As of now, you can go with sellers only because the sellers are too strong. If the level has been reached, yeah, there is a chance of 50-50. Maybe buyers can enter or selling can also enter. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take 2 minutes trade for buying. Okay, if possible. Okay, I'm going with buyers. We'll see what will happen. In these kind of scenarios, we have to check what is getting over it. And one more thing, if you really like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos regarding these kind of concepts. Okay, maximum try to plot the levels which will make the perfect entries, and you can understand the market better. By plotting the levels, you will understand where the market is certain range and trade at the maximum area where you can get a nice opportunity. See, there is a level, so I am going with buyer sell. We have to see what will happen. Okay, if this is a buying area, maybe we can get buyers here. But one more thing I should mention before itself, I didn't find any weakness in the candle, so easily the sellers will continue. Okay, anyways, if this candle is loss, I will recover in the next candle, because sometimes the market is coming as strong. Okay, let me check whether any major levels are available for this strong selling pressure. So I will check that thing also, because as of now I can't do anything. Let me check. Okay, overall trend is a downtrend. Okay, as of now I didn't find any levels, and this is a strong area, so that's why only I have preferred. See, that area is also not at all respecting. Okay, it's okay, sometimes it will happen, but I have to check where I went wrong. Okay, let me check here. Let me adjust. Okay, here you have a trend line, which is a strong area. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Okay, now you got the clear answer. Okay, now I will officially go with buyers. Why? Because in the previous, the level is also too strong. Still, it didn't respect. Maybe it's an OTC. That's why these kind of things have been happened. It's okay. After breakout, we can expect a reversal candle. Yeah, that's the thing I have done as of now. Sometimes it will happen. Okay, but as of now, you have understand each and every point regarding how I am taking trades, where I am taking trades. And just now we got one loss. You got the answer why it is loss, because there is a trend line which is coming from a strong area, and you can check the support also. It is too strong. Still it didn't respect. You can check my history also. Yeah, anyways, after winning I will close the video. Okay guys, here the buyers are interested. Okay, finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.